Hello friends, welcome to another video of Zack's pronunciation. This word is pronounced cuisine. 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 Cuisine refers to a style or method of cooking, especially one that is connected to a particular country, region or culture. It's more than just food, it covers ingredients commonly used, cooking techniques, flavors and spices, traditional dishes and presentation. Cuisine. Cuisine. A specific style of cooking associated with a culture or place. For example, French cuisine, Italian cuisine, cuisine. In a sentence, you can say, I love trying different cuisines when I travel. Thanks for watching the video. Please like and subscribe Zack's pronunciation and check out other videos in the playlist to learn the pronunciation of different English words.